So yeah, anyway, when I flip the big Tesla coil on back there, we're not really hooked to anything. It's all coming across through the house ground, I suspect, as noise. But it spikes it way up to 12, 15 volts at times. And the LED surge is a lot brighter. And it doesn't have to be very much disruption on the spark gap either. I can adjust it almost all the way down to nothing, and I still see the fluctuations over here. So it doesn't seem to be a frequency dependence thing. It's more of just a constant line noise that I think must be backfeeding through the MOT primaries and going to ground. But the funny thing is, I don't even have the ground wire to the house hooked up over there, so it's I probably should do that. Check out that LED. It's bright. That initial discharge could be 20 milliamps. That's enough to run into a small little... I gotta find them. I've got several, but I keep blowing them out. For literally $1.50, you can get off the China boat over in off Amazon or whatever and get these little high voltage transformers, like for ion generators and whatnot. They're not made for continuous duty, but you can use them to some extent, and literally put 1.5 volts in and get 300,000 volts out. A nice massive spark. They have this internal digital resonant circuit, but they're extremely easy to blow out, and that's why I have none working left. But I have to say, this circuit is a bit more efficient than this circuit that was there was actually a US patent on. I can't remember. I'll have to post it. This circuit is able to produce. I just don't see more than a volt or two on here, but my capacitance is way lower, so that could be a factor. So this one actually is it. Oh wait, let me turn it over. This one is actually, the diodes are flipped. I'm pretty sure I got it right anyway. Holding it this way, then these two diodes are backwards. And the capacitor, they're swapped with the capacitor, so that's true too. Anyway, this is definitely something here, something that can be worked with. Dead short across the diode, and we still maintain 1.6 voltage drop across that diode. We can go way up when there's no load. Perhaps better surface area out there in the earth rod will yield even better results, as we've seen before with the ground loop systems. But this house ground, or sorry, the earth ground is a higher potential than the house ground. There's my positive lead right there on the positive output, which is this right here. Going to the earth rod outside. I didn't pee on it today either. And now, here's with the rotary hooked up. Rotary sucks. But we do get brighter output under that load. Voltage has gone up because it's only discharging it at frequencies of a second.